Hi all, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a 22 plate Toyota HiLux MASV. This is the sporty pickup truck. Now this vehicle got pretty much every conceivable toy in here. What we've done with it is some security upgrades. We've also done front and rear dash camera. And one other thing that's quite important with this is the customer got a navigation system in here, which is the factory navigation, and it just wasn't working so good. I'll show you what we've done now. Right, so that's the front dash camera. Again, really discreet. And I'll just show you the rear. Right, so I'll show you the rear from inside because the outside's tinted windows, and as you can see, it's just nice, it's neat, it's out of the way. And you can't see any cabling, which is exactly what the customer wanted. Right, so this is the dash camera inside at the front, and again you can see the cable runs up out of the way, nice and neat. Right, so just going to show you a couple of other things. This is how well it fits in the dash, so you can see there, although it is a tablet type screen, looks lovely in there, but the most important bit is what people will ask for is how well would it fit and look inside the dash. And you can see there, it is a tablet, like I said, but it doesn't sit out too far. I'm going to get in the other side, show you what's what now. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle. This is the screen in the dash, and this is the view from the driver's position or perspective. As you can see, that dash, that screen looks really, really nice there. There's a little bit of reflection coming off there, but I'm going to start the vehicle now so you can see what's what, because we've also done a funky boot up logo in this. So as I start the vehicle, you can see there, that's that nice additional touch that we can do. Now, obviously, once this starts, there's your opening warnings. Now, if you touch this screen, it will go off. So apologies, the dash camera's just talking over me. So what happens with this here is, that's our phone. So obviously, we are now connected wirelessly for the Apple CarPlay. And again, you can see the quality of the screen is just absolutely second to none. This will give us, obviously, the maps. It will give us Apple Maps, Google Maps, depending on what's on your phone. It'll give us the facility to be able to make and receive calls through your contacts. Again, it's all touch screen. We can use Siri to be able to make a call via just talking to the unit. What we can do with this is, obviously, we've got our maps, so that's our Apple Maps at the minute, and we can go through our text messages. We then go back into the normal home screen, and this is actually going to give us the normal layout of the unit. If I go into there, then that gives me what's available. So we've got the facility for wireless mirroring, normal AM FM radio, and also DAB radio. We've got Bluetooth calls and Bluetooth streaming, although these are greyed out because it's connected to Apple CarPlay. We've got USB, and we've actually retained the factory USB down there. And then we've got a HDMI, an audio video AV input, and then obviously standby. And then obviously you can see across the bottom here, we've got the facility for digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, although it's connected to an iPhone and your normal telephone. Now, one of the main things on this vehicle, we believe that this has not been done before, but what this vehicle had got was the 360 vision. So when we pop this in reverse, we've retained the reverse camera there, as you can see, and this also keeps the moving grid lines from the factory. But the customer found that this factory foam kit was just not good enough. It just wasn't doing what they wanted, and also he wanted a better quality screen. So what we've actually done with this is we've also now retained the facility for the 360 view. So if I go on to that button, this is now giving my 360 retention, and then I can also flick through and do the side split and then back onto the screen. So for further information on adding a dash camera, upgrading the AV system, adding reverse cameras, upgrading the security in your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.